In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Asana to Outlook. By the end, you'll have the Asana for Outlook integration ready to go so you can turn emails into tasks and keep work moving without switching tabs. Make sure you're signed into your Asana account and have access to your Outlook or Microsoft 365 account before we begin. Start by opening Asana and heading to your home view. This puts you in a familiar starting place and ensures you're in the right workspace or organization. If you juggle multiple workspaces, double check the one you want to connect so the integration lands where you actually work. Next, look to the top right corner of Asana and click your profile icon. This menu is where you'll find your personal preferences and connections. From that drop-down, choose Settings. The Settings window is your control center for notifications, display options, and importantly for today, integrations. Inside Settings, navigate to the Apps tab. This tab highlights the tools that can connect to Asana. You may see a few featured options at the top. That's helpful, but we'll open the full directory to find exactly what we need. Scroll down and click See All Apps. This takes you to the Asana app directory where every available integration is cataloged and easy to search. In the directory, use the search bar and type Outlook email. You're looking for the official Asana for Outlook integration. The search results should show the app card that enables you to create tasks from emails, attach messages to existing tasks, and keep context synced between your inbox and projects. Open the Asana for Outlook page and click Install Asana for Outlook. At this point, you may be redirected to Microsoft's App Marketplace or prompted inside Outlook to complete the install. Follow the on-screen prompts, sign in with your work or school account if required, and approve any permissions your organization allows. If your company manages apps centrally, you might see an admin approval message. Just reach out to your IT admin to enable the add-in. Once installation completes, you'll see the Asana icon in Outlook when viewing an email. From there, you can capture an email as a new Asana task, choose the right project, set assignees and due dates, and keep the original message attached for context. This helps eliminate copy-paste, reduces missed follow-ups, and ensures everything tied to an email is trackable in Asana. That's it. You started in Asana Home, opened your profile settings, went to Apps, viewed all apps, searched for Outlook email, and installed Asana for Outlook. You're now set to manage work seamlessly from your inbox.